morning. 안녕하세요. Day 3.
We're done with training! Let's go! Also, I got hit by Lloyd just now. You see these two? You see? The one in blue holding the water bottle, he hit me just now. This one. Because he thought I was Charmaine. He thought I was Charmaine. Look at the true victim over here. Poor thing. Oh.
Doesn't mean it's me then.
Exactly. You see? Can report to MOM for employee abuse. Can I have some rice to feel?
It's correct. 3.1415926535897932384626.
Wait. 3-5 what?
I cannot just like that.
1.4.
14159265358979323846.
Bro, no, it's 82 bro. 8209.
Let me see this one wrong.
8209 bro.
This one wrong.
Party.
I thought mine is consistent
It's
one.
go like this.
Oh, it's sideways.
Are you okay, sir? Because I am not. Oh, there's more stairs. Oh, Limin, what's your winning speech? What do you have to say?
I'm sorry I kicked you off.
the start list is out. We had our meeting with our team leaders and all. So we're going to sleep early tonight. We're going to prep for the comm by sleeping and eating very well. We got porridge for breakfast tomorrow because we figured that it wouldn't be like too heavy. So there's like chicken and beef. And then Charmaine and I just gonna eat. Then I have strawberry milk for tonight. And then I also have an onigiri for tonight. Supposedly it's like chicken mayo flavor. So I'm just gonna eat this before I sleep. And I also have like a hot red date. But this one is for tomorrow morning because I feel like if I drink something cold, I'll get like a stomachache. So I'm gonna leave this for tomorrow. We're gonna sleep early tonight. Normally we've been sleeping about I think 12 something. But tonight the goal is to be in bed by 11. We're going to turn off everything at 10:30 and then sleep by 11 because tomorrow competition is in the morning, kind of like maybe like 10 plus 11. So it's gonna be a lot of stress, but it's okay, we are ready. Just gonna have like fun. We try to have fun. Easy to say lah, but difficult to feel. Correct, Shami? Yes, but we're just gonna rest up for the night and then y'all can wait for the next vlog to come out. It should be regarding the comm. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!